So Naz, you got the Baltimore too, right?
Negative, I do not. I have the Chappie, the Hipper, the Mogami.
Oh, okay. I
He's
see.
playing the best one, but
Chappie and the Hippie are nice ships too.
they got 2 DDs.
And they got a Cleveland, Baltimore, and a Flat. Oh, this should be fun.
3 radars. We got this.
Cleveland's.
Sun Devil, there can only be one. It's like Highlander.
Aren't we showing our age?
All right, son. Now you call it again, please.
All right. So what I'd like for them to do is get them into A and B, and then let them get kind of compacted in there, and then we radar them and destroy them.
Yeah, RPF at C.
Yeah, RPF is showing C as well. I think that.
Oh, go ahead.
I think that they, if they're smart, they won't go in. They'll send the small guys, either in, maybe even a cruiser in there, because that is a death trap in there.
It is, yeah.
But I got to contest it. I mean, that's what I'm built for.
All right. Well, Flat, I tell you what, just head on in there.
I think we should let Cad and Ski head over to C if they come up over that way.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, that's fine.
But you guys, if you go in there, it's death. AB.
Yeah, especially
AB anyway.
Cleveland's.
So not everybody go in through the same spot. Kind of try and spread ourselves out just a little bit. See if we can't get some fire coming from multiple directions into A and B.
Make sure you leave yourself a way out, Flat.
Yep. Actually, what I'm going to do is come around from Fox 3-4 and head out back to our current, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some tops through A, B, see what I
Yeah, I'm going to
hit.
go through the butt cheeks, basically.
What's RPF saying?
RPF it's showing AB for me now.
Okay.
But by doing this, I'll be able to get out.
Okay, over there at C, don't go too far away.
RPF is giving me, it's bouncing, so hold on a minute.
Okay, I'm detected.
Roger.
So someone's close.
Okay, I'll see what I can see.
Alright, there's the Vlad headed to C.
Okay, alright. Well, let's, okay, there's one destroyer.
Okay.
Enemy destroyer sighted. Enemy cruiser detected.
Alright, there's the Cleveland's on this side.
Cleveland, I'm
so
fire range.
Got a fire in the
Surround.
there's
pad.
the Baltimore on this side.
Baltimore's
too.
only 5K away. There's another Cleveland, 3K away. Break off, quick.
I'm cutting out. I'm out of here.
Turn on the Kagera.
Enemy battleship fighter airborne.
Can you guys delete this Kagera?
Not yet. He's in smoke for me.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Trying to capture B.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Kite.
I'm
All their
RPF.
cruisers are on this side here, son.
Yeah,
Okay.
Detected.
radar. B. Almost got B. I have B.
I think they wasted a lot of their radar on this side on me.
Yes, we did. Alright, out of here. Radar still.
Big
Watch
hug.
that Cleveland coming up
Vlad is
left
just
side.
taking himself out of the battle.
Alright, not radar anymore.
Fighter returning to ship.
There's Kagero.
Okay, he went behind the hill.
You're all right. You're all right. Quick. I'm gonna shoot some torps into these oncoming guys around the side of the mountain. They're coming around the way I.
Now, I'm do the same thing. I'm gonna give some smoke cover.
Okay, those guys on the west side probably aren't going to advance because they're going to have to give me their broadside.
Yeah, I just want to keep them from getting behind you. That's what I'm a sheepdog too.
There's a cover for you there.
Thank you.
Just in case they poke their head out, they should hit a torp.
All stations.
Send it to
requesting
Cleveland.
fire on the designated target.
Alright, focus that Cleveland there on the west side, guys.
We got some incoming torps here, guys. They're gonna miss you there, son.
Burned it up.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
They're nowhere near you.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Undetected. Coming around for
Concentrate
the
fire
torp
on
run.
the designated target.
Yeah, just drag those guys around. Oh, I'm capping. Ah, shoot, someone's in here with me still. I almost had it.
Radar again. Got incoming rounds. Jesus, this is gonna hurt. Ah, come on, don't miss. All right, gonna bust off, heal up a bit.
Detected.
Okay, you guys that are in that group south of A and B, just keep kiting them around. Just bring them on around.
Kill that Z-23, or do you need help there, Cad?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
Just keep them bringing them around, guys. They don't see me.
Baltimore's rushing in again. Torps out on the ball.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Okay, Cleveland's coming around. Quick.
Take care of this Kagero. It's torps on you.
Balti's coming for me. I think I'm gonna die.
Yep.
Alright.
Quick,
Son,
can
got
you get
torps
this?
coming at you.
Dead ahead.
Okay, all right, no problem. Can you get this Cleveland back here behind you?
Yeah,
Torpedoes, direct
coming around.
Delete that Balti.
I'll take care of this Cleveland for you there, son. Hold on a second.
All right.
I got torps for
This is the fight you were made for.
and the Cleveland.
Ship is
Yes.
on fire.
My torps.
The Balti's nearly dead, guys. He's burning down. Cleveland, next kill. Easy kill. He's open water for you.
Nice.
Hey, Cleveland behind him. Oh shit, he's masked. Never mind.
Okay, here comes
push
the
up
Vlad.
and
Here
help
comes
with
the
that
Vlad.
Vlad.
Here comes the Vlad.
I'd push up and help him kill that Vlad. There.
Remember, burn the Vlad. You got to burn him.
He can pen him with that thing he's got if he shows him broadside.
I got a fire on the Vlad.
I made lots of friends. They wanted to come shake my hand.
Alright, so remember, guys, got two Kagero out there.
Citadel and the Vlad.
3 man.
Enemy severely damaged.
Help the torps. There he is. There's a Kagero.
Our Kagero's
behind
still
the
pretty
flag.
healthy. There he is.
Problem solved, sir.
I'd pre-fire torps in that hole.
Keep
For that
burning that
Kagero.
Vlad.
That Kagero's probably going to try to charge you.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Yeah. Torps inbound.
Torpedoes, direct front.
One's going to hit.
We're hull below the waterline. We're flooding quickly.
Cad, draw the Vlad to you. Run. See if he chases you. He's almost in my torp range. I'm going to try to get him around this corner.
Our victory is in sight.
Does he have his gun pointed towards me?
Yeah, they're not at me, that's for sure.
That was a good torp hit, though.
Alright, well, I'm going to lose my torps and then kind of
Oh, he's firing at me.
hang left.
He's firing at...
Got him on fire.
Bust off and run.
Torps out.
Drag him out. He's going to show you his citadel there, Naz. Under the second turret, bro. That's where it starts. Here you go, quick.
Fighter returning to ship.
Tough fight, but you can do it. That Kagero just caused that Z-23 dude his life. Torping behind him like that. Ram his ass.
Did I miss with all of them?
Torps, torps.
Okay, guys.
Oh, there's some of those are gonna hit. You got him.
Yeah, right.
You like that, right?
You made my
And
butthole
battle
pucker
like
with that.
Not bad.
We're in Alpha. We're rank 1 now.
51,000 damage, man. I had 4 hits, 3
Well,
kills, man.
Cad, while they're all, patting each other on the butt, I'm going to say good job on the Vlad, you and I.
Yeah, thanks.
What do you mean? Great job on you two.
Oh, you got that on YouTube.
I'm the one who
Yeah.
died first, so you make fun of me all you want. But I made